What up guys, it's Nicole and today I am trying out some new products and some not so new products. Excuse my hair, I've just washed it so it's still wet and just chopped up. Now I've got my eyebrows on. I put on my eyebrows because I didn't have a new like pencil or pomade, and the same with my primer. I didn't have anything new for that. I don't think that was blended. But later on I will be trying the Anastasia gel brow thing that's just come out, so that's a bit fun. So I think I'm just gonna jump straight into it with priming my eyes and things like that so I can get onto it. If the lighting changes, it's because of the time of day it is. Being winter, the sun tends to set a lot earlier than I would like. And I'm also going to be trying out their Tarte Found Sealer sponge, so it looks like that, so hopefully that works out well. So I do have some new products. Like I said, I've just been saving up to use them. I've been wanting to use some of them for a while now, but just haven't got around to it. If the natural light changes too much, I'll use like artificial lighting, which is just my bright ass lamp at this point. Now I'm going to try and do what Shan XL, can't even speak, wow. I'm going to try and do what Shan XO has been doing on her eyebrows, which I've been actually really digging lately. So just like letting them look a bit natural and then carving them out nicely with the concealer like this, and it just makes them look a bit prettier. This sponge is actually so easy to use. So that part's done. So what I'm going to go in with today is the Norvina palette, which I only recently got myself for my birthday. A friend gave me a gift card to Mecca and I was like, I've been wanting this, so I have to get it. Look how pretty it is. I'm sure so many of you have seen this around for ages and don't need me showing you, but I will anyway. I will try the brush in here just to see what it's like. I'm going to go in with Love first. Now when I use this brush, there's a lot of kick up from that Love, but I don't know if that's normal or just because of this brush. I really don't know what I'm doing. Kind of just winging it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I just realised I was probably sitting out of frame. So I've just run that through the crease. I think I'm going to go in with Soul, which is that purple. So as you can see, there's a little kick up. I don't know if it's because of the brush. But I'm going to go in with Soul. It's my Kylie one. There is still a little bit kick up, but not as much as that Anastasia brush. I'm just going to sit that through the crease a little bit lower. Not adding anything new, just going over it again. So now that's what we're looking like. The pink and purple have blended really well together, like I have no issues in that. I think it was just my hand that went up a little bit too high. So I'm just getting that pink and bringing it a little bit more down on my lid. Just like so. Cut the crease just a little bit. gonna go in, I think with I'm gonna go in with the Dreamer and just put that on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna quickly change to the artificial lighting because this sun is going down way too fast. Okay, swapped over. That's a lot better that you guys can see. So this is the eyes so far. It's not anything special, but I just wanted to use the palette. Now again, I do have a bit of kick up with Love, but I'm pretty sure it could be just the brush because it's so, like, it's a lot denser than my other brushes, so that could be it. Don't know, but I think it was probably just a brush. Oh, I could have used this brush. This came in my little Tarte package. It's very cute, but I'll use it next time. So for my base today, I'm trying out a sample of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And the lightest shade I've got is light neutral on this. Hope it matches for being light neutral. I'm just going to start with one side of my face and work around because I don't know how fast it will dry or not dry. Okay, I thought that was filming, but it was so out of light. Now this is a lot darker than my skin, but it was the lightest sample I could get. It's very like sheer coverage. I can still see a lot of my skin underneath. So yeah, light to medium coverage if anything. I think it's just more the fact that it's very, I don't know how to, I can't fix my lighting to show you guys properly, otherwise it'll make the rest of this funny. But you can see the difference between my face right now. Very much a light to medium coverage. If I was to ever use that sample again, which I'm pretty sure I just used all of it, but if I was ever to do that again, I would have to mix it with one of my lighter, like my other foundations, because they're a lot lighter. But yeah, I'll see if I can build it up with going over some parts that I feel like need it. Let's try here, here. And I'll have to do the same to the other side to even it out. No, still a medium coverage if I was to build it. I feel like if I was to use that, I would have to bring it really far down my neck. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I feel like if I use my Fenty that's too light, it's pretty much white and will look funny, so I'm gonna have to go in with my Shape Tape and hope for the best. Hope it doesn't make me look funny. Yeah, that sponge is pretty much like a yellow, very yellow toned. Can this lighting stop playing me? I just want to be able to film a nice video without being played. Okay, this lighting situation is not being my friend today. Because that was so light, like you can tell, it is lighter. Okay, in person it's not so bad, but on camera you can definitely see the difference. You can sort of see in person as well from this like mirror, but I think I've blended it in pretty well. You can still see my bags. My bad. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Just really pat on my face and hope this helps it. My big mirror, it doesn't look so bad on camera. Yeah, I don't know. I think the colour's just throwing me off, to be honest. Definitely wouldn't be able to use that colour. For bronzer today, I'm going in with a Maybelline City Bronzer. It does look like I have a bit of sparkle in it. Hopefully we can move around that. What it would look like on my normal foundations, because they are a lot lighter than this. Bronze it into my hairline so we don't look. It's not a bad colour actually. I don't mind it. It's like a nice soft bronzer, which I'm actually all for. And for blush, we're going to try the Exposed blush from Tarte. Okay. And for mascara, we're trying the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. It's a big ass mascara. I actually really like that mascara. Okay, I have no issues with that mascara. I do have a clay pot that's new as well, like for eyeliner, but I'm gonna leave that and do not want to try it today because I feel like it isn't gonna work in my favor. I'm gonna go in with a lip product now, which is the Get It by Tarte. It's the Tarte lip paint. That's a nice nude. It's very peachy undertoned. And I also wanted to try out today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. I got the shade Soft Brown because that's what I use in the pomade. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so cute and thin. Pomades, gels kind of scare me because I don't feel like I have a light hand enough to do this. Okay. The one reason I don't like gels is because I always happen to mess myself up. Let me quickly fix that. Got it. That actually is really nice. It makes them look really nice and thick and fluffy. Love it. I'm gonna quickly fix my hair. So I do apologize in advance if some of the foundation or the concealer part is cut out, like majority of it, just due to lighting, because my lighting decided to suck today and go really bright when I was doing those, so I do apologize if a lot of it gets cut out. Alright, final thoughts on everything. The eyeshadow I'm actually really in love with. I've done a similar look once before but added blue into it, sort of thing, with the Riviera palette. But the eyeshadow is blended well. Again, the pink did have a bit of kick out, but I can't tell if it's because of the shadow or because of the brush. But I didn't have that trouble with the Soul color, which is a purple. But I did use a different brush, being the Kylie brush, which I do use quite often. So I'm going to give that color a try again with a different brush and see if it has the same amount of kick up. Yeah, kick up doesn't bother me if it's like still really pigmented. The only time it will bother me is if there's a little kick up and there's like no color payoff. But yeah, I just thought I'd put it out there. If you don't have the palette and you're looking at it, just be aware that there will be a little bit of kick up. The mascara worked really well. This foundation colour actually doesn't look, okay, yeah, when you do it like that it does, but like overall I don't think it's too bad. I probably wouldn't reach for that colour again, but it's sitting nicely at this point. It is very much a light to medium coverage. I think because I used my normal powder it helped quite a lot. The bronzer with this coloured foundation worked really nicely. I don't know if it looked like a too orangey when using my normal shades, which are a little bit lighter, but obviously I'd come to it then. But at the moment I really like the bronzer. The blush and exposed was really nice. The lip paint's really nice. The only thing I really had trouble with was that foundation. I struggled to put it on at first, and then the colour I was a bit iffy about. But when everything's all together at the moment it's okay. If I've repeated myself, sorry. Yeah, so if you like this little first impressions, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next time. If you're interested in seeing any more first impressions, what would you like to see a first impression on? Any other video ideas? And don't forget to subscribe because that would mean the absolute world to me, and I will talk to you guys next time.